Alright guys, we are going to do a talk over makeup tutorial. I didn't talk during this whole thing that I recorded. Sometimes I like to do that because it's less stressful. For the first part of this look, I'm just using Mayron paints and I'm painting stripes all over me in the shades of the rainbow. You're going to want to try to blend these a little bit as you go. Green into purple, no, green into yellow, into blue, purple into to blue, pink into purple, pink and orange. You can kind of see what I'm doing. Now I'm using shadows going over top of them to get better coverage because I'm not a big fan of layering the Mayron paints thick. They do crack. You're just going to spend like an ungodly amount of time sitting here blending these together. If you want to use a little brush, you can use darker shades for the transitions and it makes it flow really well. The blend on my face here looks really good. My chest is a little bit patchy, but it does get a lot better. I'm not sure what happened there, but I did move the camera. I'm gonna just continue like I didn't notice that the camera moved. We're gonna go ahead and paint our nose black and start painting some black stripes on. Oh, wait, first I'm adding a white around the eyes, and I think I put this on the chin too, just to kind of make it a little bit lighter on the camera, and on the chest apparently. Now we're gonna go and do the black stripes. Just gonna paint those like a tiger, and now this look is like a tiger leopard look because we're gonna go in a minute with some purple and do some leopard spots. Think Lisa Frank sort of vibes. It took forever to paint these stripes, man. By the time that I finished this look, I did not want to paint any more stripes. And then we're going to fill the inside of the leopard print with colors. The same colors that we have on our chest, of course. And right there, I am just adding a few more colors into the little circles. You can see there was a green one. And I'm using a dotting tool to add little purple dots in to get that little Lisa Frank texture. Going in with a white lip pencil by NYX. If you know a better one, let me know, because this one is okay, but it's a little dry. Doing the top lip in black. I think I end up doing both lips in black, if I'm not mistaken. Adding a few little whiskers on. Going in and doing a little winged liner, because what is a look without a winged liner? We are going to hunt for something and then probably text somebody back, and then we're going to add some eyeliner. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you want to see me do next time? I'm going to flip the camera over in the other way. Have a good day. Bye.